What's up, folks? So today, got to replace the bushings. They are pretty smoked. These were already in the trunk when I bought the car, so you know, I would use the poly ones, but you know, since these were already in my trunk, I thought might as well use them, right? And here's what we're dealing with. Let's see if you can see. Let's see. Yeah, they pretty much have had it. It's like completely gone and disintegrated. This is the driver's side. That's what I'm replacing. And, well, the passenger side is a little better, but still in a little rough shape. Part of the boots, part of the rubber's missing, so yeah. But yeah, this is under the chassis. I'm looking to get some subframe connectors. Subframe connectors because of the reason I want to get subframe connectors is due to the chassis flex. You know, this is another, it's like this on both sides, a little crack.